Hello! In this video, we will be talking about how to install the Arduino programming software and Ardublock add-on for the classic circuit playground. Arduino is an open-source programming tool that is based on the language C. It is used everywhere from large research labs to architecture firms to your own classroom. Ardublock is a programming environment that allows students to implement block coding within Arduino. This helps students transition from block coding to full-fledged syntactical coding. Lastly, the Circuit Playground is a microcontroller created by Adafruit, specifically for classrooms. Let's start by downloading Arduino. See the link in the description of this video to see what version you need and follow the instructions to download that version. For now, we are using version 1.6.11. The link will bring you to this page with a list of software packages to be downloaded. Scroll to the version you need and click on the link to download. On Windows computers, we recommend choosing the Installer option, which will directly install everything you need. When the download is complete, continue with the installation. You will be prompted to select which components to install. Select all of the options and click Next. You can choose where you want to save Arduino, then click Install. When the installer is finished, you can open Arduino. To use Arduino on your circuit playground, you will have to change a few settings. Open the Tools tab and go down to Board. The side menu will have a Boards Manager option at the top. Click on this and make sure that Arduino AVR Boards says it has been installed. If it does not say installed, click on the box and a button to install will appear in the lower right-hand corner. Next, close the Boards Manager. Go back into Tools, Board, and scroll through the side menu to find the Adafruit Circuit Playground. Next, go back into Tools and make sure the programmer selected is AVR ISP. And with that, Arduino is all set up and ready to go. Now we need to install Ardublock. Once again, you can check this video's description to find a link and instructions to download.
Clicking the link will prompt a dialog asking you what you want to do with the latest version of Ardublock. Click on Save File. Next, you need to identify your Arduino sketchbook location. This is a folder on your computer where your sketches and libraries are saved by default. Open Arduino under the File tab. Click on Preferences. At the top, you will see your sketchbook location. Copy that file destination and close Arduino. Open your computer's File Explorer and paste the sketchbook location you copied. In this sketchbook location, we're going to create 3 nested folders. First, create one called Tools, all lowercase. In Tools, let's make a folder called Ardublock Tool with no spacing. Watch the capitalization here. The folder is case sensitive. Finally, in Ardublock Tool, create a folder called Tool, all lowercase. Now go into Downloads and find the Ardublock jar file you downloaded. Plug in your board and open Arduino. Make sure the correct board and programmer are still selected, and select the port that your board is connected to. Also under the Tools tab, you will now see a link for Ardublock. You can click on this to run Ardublock and use block coding in Arduino. Have fun and happy coding!